The fact that the space rock, which is almost the same size as the Washington Monument, was found in data that was not intended to look for asteroids highlights the value of the large telescope in Earth's very own backyard. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, was responsible for the discovery of a small asteroid, which came as a surprise to everyone. The space rock is around the same size as Rome's Colosseum, and it has been spotted by the Space Telescope since it was launched at the tail end of 2021. It is possible that the space rock is the smallest item the Space Telescope has observed since it was launched. The James Webb Space Telescope has been making news in the astronomy world with its discoveries of massive celestial objects, which are frequently located billions of light years away from Earth. This new finding, on the other hand, demonstrates that the telescope may be used in unexpectedly useful ways far closer to home. The researchers found a new asteroid that ranged in size from 330 to 660 feet using data that was initially obtained for the purpose of calibrating the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, which was not meant to identify new asteroids. After then, the researchers made the announcement that they had discovered a small asteroid by utilizing the MIRI calibration measurements that were available to the public but had been neglected in the past. According to the findings of our research, MIRI will likely discover a large number of previously unknown objects, and these observations will be among the very first to target the ecliptic plane. It is possible that the main asteroid belt, which extends between Mars and Jupiter and was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, contains millions of space rocks that were formed from leftover material from the birth of the solar system. These items range in size from dwarf planets like Ceres, which are around 620 miles wide, to pieces that are less than 33 feet across. There is a broad range of sizes among these things. Asteroids, being fossilized relics from the early stages of the solar system, are a very useful source of information for researchers interested in figuring out how planets like Earth came into being. Smaller asteroids in the main asteroid belt have been spotted and researched less thoroughly than their larger counterparts in the main asteroid belt due to their size, which has limited the scope of previous research. The discovery of a small asteroid by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is all the more exciting in light of the fact that it implies that the telescope will ultimately be able to be utilized to explore asteroids with diameters of less than approximately half a mile. The data was collected by the JWST when it was observing the main belt asteroid 10920. 1998 BC1, which was discovered in the same year it was observed for the first time. The team determined that the combined efforts had been unsuccessful due to the brightness of asteroid 10920. 1998 BC1 as well as an offset in the direction of the JWST. An analysis of the data revealed the unexpected asteroid. So the group came to the conclusion that they should make use of the information to devise and evaluate a novel method for determining the orbit and size of an object. The researchers estimated the size of the asteroid, located it within the inner region of the main asteroid belt, and found that its orbit had a low inclination. Our research demonstrates that if you have the right mentality and a little bit of luck, even inconclusive Webb sightings can lead to the discovery of information with significant scientific value. Despite the fact that our discovery was made in the main asteroid belt, the amazing sensitivity of the JWST enabled us to identify this rock around 100 meters in diameter situated more than 100 million kilometers distant. When scientists compare their findings to those of background stars, it will allow them to place more restrictions on the orbit of the recently found object. The fact that MIRI was able to make such an unexpected finding as an asteroid of a size that could be measured in the main belt is a tribute to its capabilities. We expect to see more asteroids intruding into view in the subsequent photographs that are scheduled to repeat these searches. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. And if you want to see more uploads like this, hit the subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.